for to be vaccinated along with rupees 25 for the children and rupees 50 for the adults. You know it's very expensive vaccine, but we are charging rupees 25 from the each child, and rest 25 rupees is contributed by the Red Crescent Society of India. Because 50 rupees is costing to us, to Red Crescent Society of India, it includes the injection, the syringes, needles, swab, and the exhibition charges and the awareness charges. Complete it costing us 50 rupees to the Red Crescent Society of India, out of which 25 we are taking from the patient and 25 rupees is contributed by the Red Crescent Society of India. You know hepatitis B? Hepatitis B is a caused by the hepatitis B virus, and you will know more about the specialists, those who are sitting here, they will give you details about the hepatitis. It is not this great work could be materialized by the, of course, your cooperation, dedicated team of the Red Crescent Society of India, and especially Mr. Arshad Siddiqui, the chairman of Red Crescent Society of India. His personal contribution, cooperation, and patronage and guidance of the society is always with us to carry this movement up to the target. And at this juncture, we feel pleasure to call you to give kind support for this noble cause. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Azimuddin, for making us aware of the noble cause that Red Crescent Society of India has undertaken. I assure you on behalf of my doctor friends and on behalf of Humanity Health Organization that we are there with your noble cause related to medical and education, whatever the good activities that will be. May I now request Vishal to say something further about the Red Crescent Society of India. Would you like to say a few things? Okay, he has covered up everything. What about you, Imtiaz? Would you like to also say a few things? Okay, fine. Now, may I request Vishal and Imtiaz and Dr. Azimuddin to please present floral tributes to our chief guest, the guest of honors. Dr. Roma, Dr. Supriya, please come forward. Dr. Roma, Dr. Supriya. Mrs. Jane, please come ahead. Special flowers to Dr. Peter Rodrigues, to Dr. Janab, Dr. Shanbag Sahab, to Dr. Tariq Patel, Dr. Bharat Parmar, and of course on my behalf to Janab Arshad Siddiqui Sahab for taking up such a noble cause. And we pray and we wish that Red Crescent Society of India grows and prospers in all its medical activities. And we would like Dr. Machiswala to receive a token from Mr. Arshad Siddiqui. Thank you. And from our side, Dr. Azimuddin, the soul of the project. This is from Mr. Siddiqui to the Director of Chief Guest.
Arrange for the dinner also, don't worry.
For his kind support and the promotion that he showed. Sir, we are very thankful to your support. Okay, so now what you all are really waiting for, the real cake. Yeah, but before we start, a couple of announcements as usual. You know, why I want to finish up now, in the end, you all will be so, the same with the knowledge of hepatitis that you all may not want to listen anything. Now we have one lady over here, her name is Tina. She has come here and she is good, she's willing to give free internet sites, websites to us doctors. So while going, if you at all you all are interested, the lady in red sari over there, she is working with one of these portals. So if at all you all are interested on your way out, you all can definitely approach her, contact her. Be outside when the lecture gets over, and you have got your necessary forms and all. So, free internet facility that they are offering. Okay, so when you all go out. Another announcement was from Dr. Arif Reshamwala, our renowned surgeon, one of our very close friends.